Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how you can download Windows 11. In this video I will tell you how you can download Windows 11 ISO file, disk image and make it bootable in USB. So first of all, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and type google.com. Now I will type Windows 11 ISO file. Now click on first link. Now here you can see 4 options are available. So first is Windows 11, click on it, scroll down and you can see the third option is download Windows 11 disk image ISO file. Here you can see a little arrow, click on it and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Now click on download button. So I will choose English International Language. Now click on download button and your file downloads will start. After completion of Windows 11 ISO file, I have put this website link in the video description, so viewers you can check it.